For making the scaffold knot, we take a rope, we put the standing part on the left, the running hand on the right, we put the running hand over the standing part, around and under the standing part like this, and we put the running hand on the right. Now we are going to make the same loop 2 times. We put the running hand over these 2 lines, then again under the standing part in this other line, like this, and another time. Then we have the running hand on the right and 3 loops. We start by putting inside the loop, the first loop, the running hand like this. 1, 2, in the other one, and in the last one like this. And then we pull. And the knot is done. As you can see, if we pull the standing part, we can change this loop here.